Are you ready to dive into the world of stock trading on Plus 500? Today, I'll guide you through the steps to buy shares easily and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tutorial is designed to help you navigate Plus 500 platform with confidence. First things first, head over to plus500.com. If you don't have an account, click on the login button the top right corner and enter your registered email and password. If you're new, you'll need to open a retail account, which is only account type available for the trading stocks on Plus 500. Before you can buy shares, make sure your account is funded. Navigate to funds management and check your balance. If you have not made a deposit yet, do so with an amount that suits your budget. Remember, the minimum deposit is typically around 100 or 100 euro or 100 pound depending on your payment method. Once your funds are in place, look for the Plus 500 logo. At the top left corner next to it, you will see a CFD signs with an arrow. Click on the switch from the CFD platform to the Invest platform where you can trade real stocks. Now comes the exciting part, finding the stock you want to buy. Use the search bar or explore through country menus on the left side of the screen. Once you have found your stock, click on it and select buy. Here you want to set up your order. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Choose between market limit or stop orders. Double check everything to ensure it's correct. Finally, click on buy to complete your transactions. While Plus 500 offers both CFDs and actual stocks, remember that trading CFDs allows you to speculate on prime movements without owning the stock itself. This can be riskier due to leverage but offers flexibility in trading strategies. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to buy shares on Plus 500 confidently. Always remember to conduct thorough research and consider your trading strategy before diving in. Happy trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.